Hey folks, today we have a certified pre-owned 2017 Honda Pilot EX. Gorgeous obsidian blue metallic paint job on the outside along with privacy glass and fog lights and Honda lane watch. Let's take a look at some of these interior features, folks. Okay folks, taking a look at the back of the cargo space of this Pilot. It does come equipped with a third row, of course. And you're also going to have extra storage down here as well. Moving to the back seat area. Plenty of leg room and headroom in the back. You do have rear climate controls and the nice gray cloth interior, which is extremely comfortable. Moving to the front of the vehicle, because this is the EX model, you are going to have the Honda lane watch, as I mentioned, Bluetooth capabilities, traction selections, and you're going to have steering controls for the volume controls and the cruise control as well. Okay, everybody, come on down to 115 Lenz Rd to Delaney Honda here in Indiana, PA, and check out this just-in 2017 certified pre-owned Honda Pilot EX. Gorgeous blue color, folks, Honda lane watch, and all-wheel drive capabilities with the third row will take you and your family anywhere you need to go these coming winter months. Come check it out today and come see me, Treston, when you do. Thank you, folks. Have a great day.